Scientists and engineers. My favorite rapper came out of retirement to drop a verse on a song titled after my favorite subject. I used to do spoken word poetry back in the day, but this motivated old 40-year-old me to give it a shot. Scientists and engineers. One is applying his knowledge of science and trying, not grinding his gears. One is defining and testing, refining and citing and writing to peers. Professions providing the text for surviving. I got the assignment right here. They study environment till their retirement, grinding and grinding for years. Relying on irons and citing Orion, a stellar alignment appears. With sine and cosine and a tangential line of the 9 minus 9 is a sphere. If your mind in this prime is a crime to opine, so the blind leave the blind and get cheers. It's a sign of the times you can call me Einstein with the rhymes designed for your ears. And I'm flying to islands, no drinking and driving, enzymes and wine and the beer. I depart like a dart, like a spark from an arc. I am him with the darkest of skin. And I jot in the part, then I go make a chart on the spot for a new invention. Then I work in my shop to be got from my thoughts, a robot with a heart made of tin. And I thought that I ought to be smart from the start and embark to the stars once again. To distraught, you forgot that the plot doesn't stop, and it's hot on the block with your friends. And the trend is for art to teach them. As long as the art that is taught is not part of an African religion, well, I'll show them again.